here you can see that there is a Francis turbine. This one is Francis turbine. Okay? This one is the Francis turbine. What is the mechanism? There is a water tank here. You can see water tank here. And I will show the details of this turbine. But before going there, what is the input power? Input power is the hydraulic power. It means the water coming from that pipe. You can see here, the pipe is here. The water will come from here, okay? This one is the water. So water will come here. And water will go here, and this is the spiral, what's the name of spiral casing. This one is the spiral casing, okay? The casing, overall casing, spiral casing. And water will flow through this spiral casing. The radial flow is here, and the stay vanes and guide vanes already here, okay? And this machine, guide vane is controlled with the governor. This is the hydraulic governor system. This is whole governor system. It is not shown in the Francis turbine, but it is the guide vanes are controlled with the help of governor system. So guide vanes continuously move depending on the what's the requirement of the water flow, like that, blah blah. And from here you can see. Then there is a draft tube. There is a draft tube here inside. You can see, and the water will go outside from this draft tube, and then this will flow from here, and then it will flow in the tank. This is the circulation. And now the water will come from the water pump, and I will show the water pump.